Found this at a garage sale in Ohio. Lady said it's been in their basement since 2001. Over 20 years just sitting down there.
$20. She wanted $20. I gave her 15. Didn't even haggle. Just knew I had to save it. Dead. Completely dead. Look at this yellowing. Look at these scratches. Someone's childhood just left to rot down there. This is the crazy part. Hydrogen peroxide and UV light. 20 years of yellow, just gone. Watch it disappear. Strip it all down, every piece, every screw, every button. Start fresh, start clean. New analog stick. Fresh rubber feet, every contact cleaned, every piece restored. She's coming back. Voice to restoration, another childhood saved, another piece of history back where it belongs. Subscribe for more rescues.